Hello, today we're going to do a tutorial on how to import an Excel sheet onto Anatomy. First, we will go to the Peoples tab, then Maintenance, and then here it shows you on User Import where you can download the sample data. So first thing you need to do is to download the sample data, and the reason we ask you to do that is to ensure that your columns are in line with Anatomy, so that when you do import, it goes directly to where it should be on the right profiles and the way it should appear. And what it states here regarding, if your database has marital status and language preferences, then we suggest you please go to the admin section so you can see the codes used by Anatomy. So as you can see, this is the code that you would use. Instead of writing married, you can just write in that 3-letter word, and then instead of writing single, you can just put in SNG, and so on and so forth. And the same applies with languages. So you can see for English, then you put in that code. This will be done on your Excel sheet. Okay, so then you go back to Maintenance. And then what you need to do is to download the sample, and then the sample will appear, and this is what it will show you what it looks like. So the marital code it will show you, and the language code it will show you as well what it looks like. So what you can do is you can populate this sample sheet with your own database by replacing the data that's already here, or what you can do is you can ensure your current existing Excel sheet is in line with what we've put in for an example for you. Now we will open a current existing Excel sheet that you may have, and we can work on that we will upload onto Anatomy. So this is our current existing database that we may have, for example. So as you can see, I've got my marital, I've got the language code there, I've got date of birth, they're all consistent. It has to be consistent to be uploaded, and then the name and the surname. And then as you can see, the mobile number has got 9 digits instead of 10. So what we need to do is to insert the first digit, which is the 0, so that when we put it in and upload, then the whole 10 digits will appear. So the first thing we do is we insert, replace with 0, starting from each column, D, line 2. So this is how it's currently showing, and this is how it will show from now on. Then you say OK, and then the number, it's got the first digit shown. So then what we do, we ensure that all the numbers we have appear the same way. Then I'll just delete this one. So what you do is you copy the entire column into D using numeric, like that. Then you can delete this column. See, now our data is up and ready to be uploaded. Now we go back and we select our file. And there's the file ready to be uploaded, and then you click on upload.